Definition of verb. A verb is a word that shows an action, state, or occurrence in a sentence. Example: action, Ali runs fast. State, she is happy. Occurrence, an accident, happened yesterday. Verbs are important because they tell us what the subject does or is. Types of verb: action verb, linking verb, helping verb, modal verb, transitive verb, intransitive verb, regular verb, irregular verb, finite verb, non-finite verb. Action verb. An action verb is a verb that shows what a person, animal, or thing does. It tells about an action or activity. Examples of action verb: run, the boy runs fast. Eat, she eats an apple. Write, Ali writes a letter. Play, they play cricket. Sing, the girl sings beautifully. Linking verb. A linking verb is a verb that connects the subject to more information about it. It does not show action. Examples of linking verb is Ahmed is tired. They are students. Seems, she seems happy. The weather becomes cold. Looks, the flower looks beautiful. Modal verb. A modal verb is a helping verb that shows ability, possibility, permission, or necessity. Examples of modal verb: can, I can speak English. Should, you should drink water. May, she may come today. Must, we must follow the rules. Will, they will visit us tomorrow. Transitive verb. A transitive verb is a verb that needs an object to complete its meaning. Examples of transitive verb: read, she reads a book. Kick, I kicked the ball. Build, they built a house. Buy, I bought a pen. Explain, the teacher explained the lesson. Intransitive verb. An intransitive verb is a verb that does not need an object to complete its meaning. Examples of intransitive verb: sleep, the baby sleeps peacefully. Laugh, they laughed loudly. Cry, the girl cried yesterday. Arrive, he arrived late. Swim, we swam in the river. Regular verb. A regular verb is a verb that forms its past tense by adding d or ed. Examples of regular verb: play, they played football yesterday. Walk, she walked to school. Clean, I cleaned my room. Watch, we watched a movie. Jump, the boy jumped high. Irregular verb. An irregular verb is a verb that does not form its past tense by adding d or ed. Examples: irregular verb: go, she went to the market. Eat, they ate pizza last night. See, I saw a bird in the tree. Write, he wrote a letter. Take, we took a taxi home. Finite verb. A finite verb is a verb that shows tense and agrees with the subject in a sentence. Examples of finite verb: runs, Ali runs every morning. Went, she went to school yesterday. Is, the baby is sleeping. Play, they play football daily. Wrote, he wrote a story. Non-finite verb. A non-finite verb is a verb that does not show tense or agree with the subject. Examples of non-finite verb: to eat, I like to eat mangoes. Running, running is good exercise. Broken, the broken glass was on the floor. To play, she wants to play outside. Swimming, swimming is my favorite hobby.